Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve this problem guys. You can see guys, I cannot operate my phone guys. You can see guys what is happening in my phone, and guys if you have the same situation in your phone, so guys don't worry guys. Today I will show you guys, I will tell you guys how to solve this problem. How can you off this problem in your phone setting. But before starting video friend, I want to request to, if you're new in my channel and you're watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. Guys, I want to tell you something guys. Whatever I will do in this video guys, you will have to only guys copy and paste. So let's see how to solve this problem. So guys, first of all guys, you will have to use your two finger. So we will use our two finger, and then guys we can use our screen. Then guys scroll it, and guys use your one finger, click on setting, and guys you two tap continuously guys, two tap. Then guys scroll it, and guys you can see this setting. Then guys click on system setting, one finger use, and guys you can use your two finger. It will not work, so don't worry, continue two tap, scroll it guys, one finger, accessibility, two tap, continue, one finger, version, two tap, talk back, one finger, two tap, talk back, one finger, two tap, one finger, two tap. So guys, now talk back is off, and guys we can use our phone properly guys. There is no any problem in our phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve this talkback problem in Oppo K10 phone. And guys, if you go outside to your phone shopkeeper, so he will charge 50 to 100 rupees to solve this problem, and guys he will not tell you how did he solve it. So as you can solve while watching my videos. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. If you guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. And friends, do you have any doubt with your phone setting in Oppo phone, so as you can ask me in comment section, I will try to help you. Bye bye.